Are professional athletes overpaid? There's been a dramatic increase in pay since the 1960s. Ted Williams said that $125,000 was too much money back in 1959, where Alex Rodriguez received $128 million in 2013, both playing for Major League Baseball. Many other athletes in diverse sports receive millions of dollars for playing a single game. The standard: lawyers and doctors who we think make bank receive only a fraction of a pro athlete's pay. Lawyers and doctors usually make between $170,000 to $500,000, nowhere near the $28,000. A really good car salesman makes between $70,000 and an average American salary is $50,000. Why is it so high? Mostly because we fans drive it up. They usually get no insurance because of how much their income is. They have terrible injuries that they have to then pay for themselves. They get TV contracts and advertisings, and then of course the fans. Are professional athletes overpaid? Yes, but maybe not as much as we think, considering some medical expenses.